Hello, my crafty friends. How is everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is Sherry. What I have here today for us to look at is, or look through, sort through, is my spring / Easter stash. I haven't opened it since, well, I have opened it and kind of stuffed things in, but I haven't opened it to see what I have in here since last year. So I would like to see what's in here so I can see maybe what I would like to make during this time of year. So I did pick up these two this year, these two little, which I showed you in a Thrifty Thursday, these two little Easter, I'm going to call them charms, dangles at Dollar Tree, and I think these are so cute. I think I have another one in here. I know I have another one. I hope I put it in here. We'll see. But these are just so adorable. I had to get two of them. I'm just afraid they're going to stop selling them one year, and then, that'll be it. So I got two this year. I got one last year. This year I got two because I remembered last year that I loved them so much. And I showed you these placemats that I picked up. I got, let's see, there's a lot in here. I guess I just got one because there's so many in here. Oh, it feels so much, but there's 12. That's plenty. And then I also picked up these this year, the window clings. The Valentine ones were so fun to craft with that I thought, well, yes, I do want some more of those. I had never used them before, and they just glued down so nicely. If you didn't see that video, that was the first time I used them, and they were just, I don't know, I was just amazed at how, I had no idea. I just thought, I never really got them because I thought, window clings, they're not going to glue down. They're kind of like, slippery or whatever, slick. And they were just fine. I was, pleasantly surprised. So let's see what I have in here. Like I said, I've been kind of opening the lid a little bit and slipping things in throughout the year. Okay, so I think showed you these cards. I had slipped those in recently from Dollar Tree. The other things wouldn't fit in here. That's why you see how full it is. Pretty full, so I couldn't get those little boxes of dangles in here. And the window clings are too big to fit in here. They're longer than 12 inches. So I have these. These are open. I must have opened these during my Thrifty Thursday, but I know I bought these this year, I believe. And those are from Dollar Tree too. This is from last year. I didn't buy this year, but this is from Dollar Tree. And this one too from previous years, the Chicks little craft kit. That was the other one was the bunnies. Anything else that I bought this year? I think I got these during the year. This year at Dollar Tree. The little eggs, the little felt egg stickers, they're already made. So I think I just love that when things are already made for me. I don't have to, like I do all my junk journal crafting, but when it comes to decorating, it's kind of nice to have things already made, like those eggs or these bunnies, things like that. And then, okay, here's another chick. And let's see, the carrots. There's carrots in here, and these are stickers, I believe. Yeah, these are just little stickers. And I bought those in previous years. And these bunnies here from previous years, the pink and white gingham bunnies. This one's not opened, and this one is opened. There's, how many are in here anyway? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I used one out of there. So, well, here's the one from last year. Good, I'm glad it's in here. So it is different. I just want to see. Here's the one from this year. We've got a little sheep, bunny on a bike, a bunny with it's a chick with bunny ears and an egg. And this one is a little like little vehicle that has a big egg and a bunny and an Easter basket. Okay, so that's this year. Last year, I think I got this last year. I don't know if I got it last year or the year before, but I'm thinking it's last year. So this one has a chicken and egg. That's what's in this little square. A little bunny hiding behind an egg. 2 of those left. 2 of these. So I used like 2 out of each one and 1 out of this one. I used quite a few last year, but here's another little chicken and egg. And the vehicle from last year is a little carrot on it with the two little bunnies in there, little carrot car. So that's super cute. I'm going to put all those together. I have the little box too. I think the little box is cute. I mean, for $1.50 you get that little box and all those little things. I think that's like the best deal ever. Okay, so here's a little sticker. Oh, this I found in my stickers that are not necessarily, they weren't all Easter, but this one was in there. It might have been in my Valentine's stickers. I'm not sure. But anyway, I slipped it in here when I found it so I wouldn't forget about it. And I have some ribbons here. Now these were all from, let's see, this is a Dollar General price tag for $1, so I don't know. I think I did get these at Dollar General possibly. Here's another one. They don't have any other stickers on here, so I'm assuming, I don't know why I would buy two. I think I actually got these at thrift stores. And this one too. This one I know I got at a thrift store. There's the price tag right there, 49 cents. So anyway, yeah, I think that's the only reason I would buy two of these is because I got them at a thrift store and they're probably like 50 cents each. And so, yeah. So let's see. Oh, here's another set of these. I had bought two. Oh, here, another sticker. It's not the same as the other one. Here's the other one. So I had two stickers. And these are the cards. I use the same as the other ones. No. I think, did I buy these this year? And then there were two different sets. I think that's what happened. So that's why I have all those. Lots of Easter playing cards. The stickers. And this trim, I wish they would bring this back. But I do have some left from previous years. The carrot trim. This one is the chicks. And then this one is little gingham bunny trim. Isn't that cute? Now I wish I would have bought more whenever they did sell it. Here's another trim. Now this one did come from a thrift store. This one was only, well, it says 74 cents right there. I don't know. But this is actually grosgrain ribbon. And it's little carrots. These are more, these look like they're thick ribbon, but they're not grosgrain. They're smooth. And that's grosgrain. And then here's here's a little card, a little Easter bunny card. So cute. It's an invitation. Is it for come share this special happiness? Is it for a baby shower? I'm not sure. But it's a super cute little bunny card. And then these are pieces from the tie-dye Easter egg dyeing kit that I used last year to dye some paper. There's a little bunny I cut out of the box, and there's all these I cut out of that the boxes that I used for dyeing paper last year about this time. Eggs, dye, eggs, and then here's some eggs. So all that. Now here's some, I think I remember sticking these. What is this? A little egg. I even cut this little egg out of the box. Look how cute that is. Oh, here's some more box pieces. Yeah, I didn't throw away any of the boxes without cutting out what I could out of the boxes. So fun. And these I stuck in from a book I had taken apart, and I found these Easter particular. I kept a couple of Easter pages and put them in here. So Easter egg doll, it's called. Instructions. So that. Here's some stationery I had when I moved my craft room. I had I didn't have this 12 by 12 box, but I had bunny things in something else, and you know, here and there. So I put it all together when I moved my craft room into this 12 by 12 paper, you know, scrapbook paper container that you usually use for scrapbook paper, but I'm using for my different subjects, which I showed you when I moved my craft room. But yeah, these are all the same. These are stationery I found one time at a thrift store now it's been years ago, and they're based off of that book, the little bunny book. I think it's called How Much Do I Love You or something like that, with the mama bunny and the baby bunny. That book is so cute. And then these are from that same like stationery set I found. That's that paper you just saw, these envelopes here, and more envelopes. Are these all envelopes? Okay, oh, and there, yeah, I knew oh, okay, I only have one card left, it looks like. Yeah, this is a card that was in there, see, it unfolds like that, but here's the front of it, and I had a, you know, a bunch of these when I first got it, but I've been using them through the years, and that's my last one. Here is a sewing pattern I stuck in here at some point. Cute, I thought it would be Eastery, I guess, with the ducks and there's a little frog there. That's super cute. So it's got the paper in there and instructions and everything, so that's adorable. These are, let's see, I think this is a ephemera piece. It's chipboard though. It's not just cardstock. That's chipboard. Honey. This says honey. Little tags. There's another chipboard piece. It has like I guess that's a flower. So I just thought it was springy, you know. More box pieces. This is from a box, I believe. That cute bunny there. Let's put that over there. I'm not sure what this is from. Maybe scrapbook paper. More box pieces. Look at this. A little sheep standing on an Easter egg. That was on one of the boxes. Chipboard piece. That's a flower. And this is probably from the box too. Little tulips. This bunny is adorable. I love him. I wonder if I can copy him. He's so cute. Okay, oh, here's another little egg from a box. Those are all from, the little pieces I say are from a box. Those are from the Easter egg die, you know, boxes. Okay, here's some ephemera. Here's another box piece. It says eggs. All right, some ephemera. So this is a tag that I made. And these are cut apart drawing cards that look like seed packets. So all of these, very pretty. And here's a little piece. This is from something else. Like these are from scrapbook paper cut aparts. This is from something else. I think this is from the same thing wherever I got those chipboard pieces. They seem to have the same color, so I think they were together from wherever I got them. I think I got those at a thrift store, and they were kind of, I don't know what they were. I don't know what they were in or whatever, but now they're in my spring Easter stash. More cut aparts. And here's some book page tags I had made from some book. This is book page back here. As you can see, there's some piano roll paper on the back. These are sewn around. And then I added a piece from a children's book there too. This is Beatrix Potter. I'm not sure what book that's from, but that is so cute. A bunny there. But these are definitely Beatrix Potter pages. Oh, here's a little bitty tag right here. Oh, I have a tag. I have it hooked onto one of the tags, you know, tied on or something. And these are Beatrix Potter pages. Very cute. And then the last things here are some books that I put in here throughout the year. So, yes, I remember finding these. So, this is a board book. Look, it has writing in it. On that page anyway. And the rest of the pages are okay. Let's see, what was that one again? Bunny's fishing. So this one, oh, that's cute. Look how colorful that is. The bunny's going out to work in his garden. It's weird how that's so colorful. And then this is black and white. It almost makes you want to color it, doesn't it? Like, I guess you could color these if you... It's kind of a slick surface, but sure something would work on there. Color there, and then black and white again. Bunny cloud blowing the bunny sailboat there. Kind of funny. Let's see, did I skip a page? The bunny circus here, it looks like. I just want to see what's in here. I'm trying to see if there's any pages I would use actually for a book, you know, journal cover. This would be a cute journal cover right here. That one could be the front. That one could be the back. This one cute would be cute too with the bunnies like in their little tree bunny hut. So, and the garden would be cute on the back. So that one and that one. The others I wasn't really, it didn't strike me as a cover. Like I wouldn't do that as a cover. I mean, maybe somebody else would. That, you know, I mean, that would be a good cover, but it's not something that I would make into a cover. So yeah, we already looked through them. So the last two set of pages there would be something I would like to make into a cover, but I really got it for the front. The Runaway Bunny. The back. Now this I would have to cover or find another page from the book. Instead, what's inside of this? Is this the other? Oh, this is one that I liked for this set to go together, but I would definitely cover that. So we'll see. I think I would like to make a journal or 2 or 3 out of this. And then I would divide the pages that are left amongst the goodie packs that would go along with it if I make those journals. And then these two I remember finding last year, kind of like right at the end of, you know, like the Easter kind of crafting season. I just thought they would make the cutest journals. I remember showing them last year. This one's Richard Scarry, and this one's a golden book. It's called a Golden Sturdy book. So, whoops, they're not necessarily board, but they are cardstock. Really cute pages again. And possibly could make, I mean, they're definitely thicker than cardstock. They're like, but not as thick as the board book pages, but they would be good covers. Any of these that I thought would make, you know, a pretty cover. Look at this one, Bunny in the Snow. So yeah, I'd like to take these apart and start off with these two and then go and see how much time I have to make these journals. But yeah, these are going to be super cute. So Richard Scarry illustrations here, and these illustrations are by Lisa Bonforte, Bonforte, with a little bunny and the chick. So super adorable. This one actually says Golden Sturdy Book too. So these are both Golden Sturdy books. This one just happens to be Richard Scarry. So yeah, very cool. Okay, so that's what I'm going to get started on. Oh, here's a couple more. This is sticker and a couple more box pieces. So okay, now I know what I have. Now I know I have a lot more bunny books and things like that. Spring possible books, garden books, you know, all those things that you can use, and that, you know, you can use them any time of year, but you know, especially fun to make those during spring. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to leave these out, actually, the books, and then put everything else back in here, and stay tuned to see how these develop, and I will let you know. I mean, you can already let me know if, like, I'm going to start with these two. So if you want one of these, let me know. They're going to have 2 signatures, and they're going to have a new spine, and they're going to have, you know, all the things. You know, all these decorations I just showed you, they'll have a tassel, they'll be decorated, so they won't be blank journals, in other words. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed looking through my Easter crafty stash, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great, great week and day.